Hey everybody, this is Jim King in Roland Park, Kansas. This is a stone foundation job that's in very good condition. It's just leaching in a little water in places. The walls are vertical, been here 100 years, and in pretty really nice condition for the age. And so what I'm proposed to the owner is to come in here and we'll put our special blend of concrete over these walls from top to bottom. The first step we'll do is we'll come in here and rub off all the loose stuff with wire brushes and clean it up. Shop vac the walls and get all the dust out. Then we'll come in and spray it down with some water and then mix up some a special blend of King Piers concrete that we do these jobs all the time. And they last for years and years and years. And it does two things. Although the wall's very structurally sound, it does two things. It makes it more structurally sound and waterproofs it. But keep in mind that concrete is rigid, it has no flexibility, and that with strong vibration in the ground, pressure can develop a crack, push the wall, which would crack the concrete. All they've got to do is call me. We'll send my son or somebody back over here, we'll seal the crack. Problem solved. So stay tuned. The last step is we'll come in here with our bare waterproofing paint that's like white rubber, and we coat this wall with that, and that really brings it out, makes it bright, beautiful. So stay tuned as we get going out here. This is King Piers. Thank you for all the shares and thumbs up, comments. I appreciate all that. Stay tuned as we progress out here. This is just one of many we got going on all over town. For the very best foundation repair, call me, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Check us out on Facebook. And last but not least, our YouTube channel is really important to me. We've got a lot of subscribers. We're reaching up on that 3,000 subscriber mark, so get on there and subscribe and click the bell so you can get all of our notifications. So thank you very much. Stay tuned.